Let's go, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn more words. So let's look at our goals again. I am going to say the word. That means you will listen to the word, like the word said. Then you will say it and I'll be quiet. Once you say the word, you're going to read it in a sentence like the word said. For example, today she said no. And say it like talking. Today she said no. Once you've read the word in a sentence like talking, you're going to write it as quickly as you can. And as you write each word, you're going to say each word. Saying each word helps you to think about the word while you write it. So here are our goals. Listen to the word, say it, read it in a sentence, and write it as quickly as you can, saying each word while you write it. So listen, say it, read it, write it. Get your mouth ready. Listen, first word, every. Now you say it, and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Her friend runs every week. Now you read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Her friend runs every week. Now let's read that like talking. Her friend runs every week. Get your mouth ready. Next word. Found. Found. Now you say it, and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. She found him a seat. You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly. Remember, say each word while you write it. She found him a seat. Let's say that like talking. She found him a seat. Get your mouth ready. Next word. Listen. Still. Still. Now you say it, and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. When will she stay still? You read it like talking. Now write it quickly, saying each word while you write it. When will she stay still? Let's read that sentence just like talking. When will she stay still? Get your mouth ready. Next word. Listen. Between. Between. Now you say it, and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Choose between these two books. You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Choose between these two books. Let's read that like talking. Choose between these two books. Get your mouth ready. Next word. Maine. Maine. Now you say it, and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. His mane is very thick. You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly. Remember, say each word while you write it. His mane is very thick. Let's read that like talking. His mane is very thick. Get your mouth ready. Next word. Listen. Should. Should. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. What should I do now? You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly. Remember, say each word while you write it. What should I do now? Let's read it like talking. What should I do now? Get your mouth ready. For the next word, listen. Home. Home. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Why don't we go home? You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Why don't we go home? Let's read it like talking. Why don't we go home? Get your mouth ready. Next word. Listen. Big. Big. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the sentence like talking. May I have another big cup? You read it like talking. Get ready to write this sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. May I have another big cup? Let's read that like talking. May I have another big cup? Get your mouth ready. Next word. Give. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Come on, give me a chance. Now you read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Come on, give me a chance. Let's read it like talking. Come on, give me a chance. Get your mouth ready. Air. Air. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I'm going to read the word in a sentence like talking. The air became warm. You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. The air became warm. Let's read it like talking. The air became warm. Get your mouth ready for the next word. See you next time.